Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and super useful Instagram tip, how to automatically save your original photos every time you post. If you love editing your pictures or want to keep a copy of what you upload, this setting will make your life a whole lot easier. Let's get started. First things first, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to adjust. Once you're on your home feed, head straight to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. This will bring you to your personal page with all your posts and highlights. Now, in the top right corner, you'll see the menu icon. It looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Go ahead and tap that. A list of options will slide out from the side, giving you access to settings, your activity, and more tools. Next, find the option called Archiving and Downloading. Tap it to open a few new settings related to how Instagram saves your content. This is where Instagram stores and manages your posts, stories, and data, but it's also where you can turn on automatic saving for your photos. Look for the toggle labeled Save Original Photos. When you turn this on, every photo you take and post through Instagram will automatically save to your phone's gallery or camera roll. That means even if you edit it or crop it in the app, you'll always have the untouched original waiting for you on your device. It's a small step, but it can save a lot of time if you like to keep backups or use your photos elsewhere. And that's it. Quick, simple, and done. Now every picture you post will be saved instantly, so you'll never lose track of your favorite shots again. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and share it with a friend who could use this tip too. Thanks for watching.